Thank you everyone for joining this session. I appreciate the time that you put here, and hopefully we will have an interesting session. So this is going to be a very high-level introductory session about AI, the conventional algorithms, like the classical machine learning, as well as the new deep learning. I would love to have the session to be interactive. So if you have any questions, please feel free to interrupt me in the middle. Don't be shy. Your question may be the question of a lot of people, so let's have it interactive. And whenever you don't understand anything or you want me to explain something further, please go ahead and let me know. And we can start. So this, as I mentioned, this session is going to be a very high-level introduction to AI. I will talk about the conventional algorithms and then move to deep learning. We will talk about the neural networks and how deep learning works there. We will start with the fully connected networks, which are the simplest form of neural networks. And then the elements of the neural network will be talked there, and we will talk about the neural network training very briefly, because there is going to be another session about the training. And then we will move to convolutional neural networks, which is the popular type of neural networks for computer vision. And this is a computer vision summit, so that's why we are talking about that. We will talk about the building blocks of ConvNets, and then applications of CNNs and some popular CNN architectures that are not very new, but they are the beginning, most fundamental ones. That's why they are in this call. You will have more of those and more interesting ones in the object detection session, hopefully, and you'll see those.